What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize and edit a booking form page that we made previously in our series of Advanced Booking Calendar WordPress plugin and using this plugin. So this is the video number 3 of our series, our mini series, using the Advanced Booking Calendar WordPress plugin. In this video, we're gonna learn how to customize pages using this plugin shortcodes. So here is our booking page where we did add the shortcodes to call the booking calendar and the reservation system on your WordPress website for free. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for the previous 2 videos where we did learn how to install this plugin and how to apply the plugin shortcodes into a page. Install, setup, and shortcodes usage. Now we're gonna be customizing the page, and I'm gonna divide this video in 2 parts. The first one, I will, as you can see, be using the Gutenberg editor, the free and the full WordPress editor, among to the plugin shortcodes that you can see how to apply right here, to create some page layout. For example, a page with the booking calendar, the booking reservation form, and a Google map. First, the booking form, the booking single calendar. Let me remove these 2 blocks. Now, another block that I'm gonna be using the HTML element. And why this? Because if you find your hotel on Google, go to Google Maps, find a hotel, yours or any other, to test. I'm gonna be using the Plaza Hotel in New York. Click on share, and onto the share, click on embed code. Copy the code and post right here into the HTML. And here's the result we have. Of course, you can change the Google embedding code to change the widget and apply some spaces and organize the elements according to your layout. This is just an idea of some pages, some reservation page that you can do with more information for your users, so the user can see what is next and under your hotel location. Of course, you can apply some texts if you want. Here into the widget code, you can apply some bigger value. You can apply some descriptions and text to your page. This helps your page in SEO rank as well. And this is how to edit a page using Gutenberg and Gutenberg elements. Now, once we have the WP Bakery, I'm gonna be editing the same page to create the same layout using WP Bakery plugin. In the next video, I'm gonna do this using the Elementor WordPress plugin, the part 4. But now, as you can see, we have got from the Gutenberg these 2 shortcodes. Let me copy this and click on Backend Editor. Now I'm gonna be adding a text block. Simple as that. Go to Backend or Frontend editors of your WP Bakery plugin. Grab your text block into the raw editor. Apply a 2 columns layout. I'm gonna clone these 2 text blocks because I'm gonna need both. And into a new row, I'm gonna be adding the Google Maps. This is one of the default elements of WP Bakery. Into the first text block, I'm gonna post the first part of the code. How do I get this code? If you have a look in the WordPress text block toolbar kit, this one, you can see the Advanced Booking Calendar. And if you click on it, you have 3 elements that if you click, you're gonna be adding these shortcodes into your text block. This is exactly the same right here, but posting the other half of the shortcode or going to the bottom. Now, to the Google Map embedding code, I'm gonna copy this code HTML, go to the Google and post the embed frame here. And if you refresh the page, here's the result we have. Exactly the same, but made using another tool. If you go to the raw editor, where the text blocks are located, design options, you can apply some spacing to the top, some padding, and you can even make this map full widget. Let me just do it. into the raw edit, where the map is located, you can select stretch raw with no paddings, and here's the result we have, a full widget map. Now if you go to the map and go to the column design options, here's the map, type 0, 0 and 0, and go here to the pencil icon into the column editor, type 0, 0, 0, and you can see that we just removed the space between the footer and the map. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility to this plugin and any other booking WordPress plugin. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the part 4 of this video. And I see you later. All the best!